I'm gonna show you how I make homemade banana bread syrup. First thing we're gonna do is mash up our bananas. So I have half of a banana from yesterday I'm going to use first. I also have a ton of bananas that I need to use. I'm just gonna mash up about 1.5 banana. Is grab a saucepan, turn the stove on to high heat. You're gonna want 1 cup of brown sugar or sugar, whichever you have on hand. I personally like brown sugar. One cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of water. You're gonna wanna mix this on and off until the sugar is completely dissolved. I'm gonna add my mashed banana into a measuring cup. We're gonna want 1/2 cup of mashed bananas. We got 1/2 cup. Okay, all the sugar is completely dissolved. We're gonna add our mashed bananas. Keep the heat on high because we want this to start simmering. It's gonna look something like this. Once it starts simmering, you're gonna wanna set your timer for 5 minutes. Turn the heat down to medium. Make sure to mix it on and off. It should already start to smell like banana bread from here. It smells so good, but we're gonna add the next ingredients after you've already simmered for 5 minutes. We're gonna do a teaspoon of cinnamon. Woo. The vanilla I used for the first recipe was the Trader Joe's bourbon vanilla bean paste, but I'm currently out of that. I used the last of it with that recipe. So I'm just gonna have to use this pure vanilla extract with Madagascar vanilla beans, but any vanilla extract will do. We're gonna do a teaspoon of this, and we're gonna do 2 pinches of sea salt. Give that a good mix. If you like a little less cinnamon, I would do 1/2 teaspoon. And honestly, I think I did add a little bit too much cinnamon because I had some fall out in there, plus whatever I put from the teaspoons. After it's simmered for another 2 minutes, you're gonna wanna turn the stove off and let this cool for 10 minutes. Okay, we've let it cool for 10 minutes. I'm going to start straining. Okay, we're switching cups. I don't know what I was thinking. That opening was not big enough. This part is what takes the longest, so just be patient. I strained it once and now I'm straining it again. This is just personal preference, just so there's no clumps of banana in there. It smells exactly like banana bread, you guys. But that is how you make banana bread syrup.